Kei te pātai ngā tauira Māori o te kura toi tino whaimana o te motu ara o te kura o Elim, me pēhea rā tā rātou whakatairanga i te ahurea Māori i roto i wā rātou mahi me tō rātou kura. Kua whakatūria he hōtaka taina tuakana, i naia kua whakatūria he whakāturanga, ko whakāhua 1 te ingoa.
Joabe.
For this particular exhibition, I think that the flamboyance and modesty, that kind of duality that you can get quite often with the Māori and Pacific Island peoples really shows through in this work.
It's just me and you in this room right now.
The movements easily identify my cultural identity.
My work is about how the land reflects who we are as people, how a humble rock by itself is quite small and insignificant, but in a larger whole it can be part of a mountain, and I see that this is quite similar to people and community as well.
It's just me and you in this room right now.
In exercise you come to a point where you have to push yourself to keep going, or you can either give up or try harder.
Sometimes it's hard to say.
I think it represents me as a Pacific Island fine arts student. I get asked a lot what I study at university, and when I say fine arts, people misinterpret it as finance, which is quite funny in Pacific Island communities because they assume you'll be an accountant or something big, but when you say you paint, they're like, ah.
Well, it was to do with hiding yourself from public access, as in cameras are such an availability to everyone this day and generation.